Hello everyone and welcome to our weather update on July 26th, 2024. This morning, after a bright start, we're seeing showers forming now, some heavy and thundery, especially early this afternoon in the west and later on this evening in the east. Through the evening, showers will clear away before overnight actually further more organised bands of rain push in towards the west around midnight tomorrow morning. And through the early hours of the morning, they'll push eastwards, arriving on the east coast by about 6 a.m. And it should clear away by 8 a.m. So by that point, all areas should be largely dry, apart from possibly a few lingering areas of rain in the east and showers feeding into the west. Now, through the morning, we'll see showers breaking out widely, especially in the Midlands, east and south. Again, some big downpours around there for a time. Through the afternoon, though, they'll become lighter and more scattered and more confined towards the east. Now, into tomorrow evening, the skies clear quite nicely, apart from a bit of high cloud. And overnight, we'll see some more general clouds. That is the leading edge of a front that'll actually be very far away to our west, pushing into the west coast there. Now, tomorrow Sunday, what am I saying? So Sunday will be a day of sunshine, hazy at times. So Sunday should be a warm and dry day with some hazy sunshine, quite a nice day. And into Monday it starts clear in the east, but some cloud comes in from the west, and then a band of light rain pushes into the west coast through the afternoon. This rain sort of halts for a time, and only very slowly edges southeastwards. So for many parts of south and east Munster, the whole of Leinster and East Ulster, it's like a dry day, but quite a cloudy day and a warm day as well. Into Tuesday, well, that band of rain basically just disintegrates, and we end up with a bright day on Tuesday, but possibly a few light showers in the far south. And to Wednesday, early hours in the morning, we end up with some clear skies. I think Wednesday itself should be quite a nice day too, before Thursday is when we see the breakdown. So here is the temperature forecast from the UKV. So UKV, again, is looking at this. So today's highest temperatures will reach around 16 to 19 Celsius as west to east. Now tonight's lowest temperatures of around 12 to 13. And tomorrow Saturday, highs of again 17 to 20 Celsius. So quite warm days today and tomorrow. Into Sunday though, Sunday actually starts quite chilly, lows of 7 to 12. And through the afternoon though, we get a very warm afternoon with highs of 19 to 22 Celsius, or possibly even 23 in parts of Dublin. So a very warm day, especially through the Midlands and East on Sunday. Now Monday morning, it starts off mildish with lows of 9 to 14, coolest in the southeast Midlands there, and mildest on the west coast. And into Monday afternoon, where we see that patchy drizzle, it's a bit cooler, 15 to 17 or 18 in West Munster, Connacht and West Ulster, but elsewhere it's 18 to 21. Into Tuesday morning, we see a cooler night in parts of Connacht and West Ulster, lows there of 9 to 12, but elsewhere lows of 12 to 15, warmest in the southeast. And Tuesday itself, we'll see highs in Ireland of around 18 to 21. So again, a warm day with some sunshine. But look at the UK, anywhere from like Lincolnshire down towards East Anglia, Cambridgeshire, London, home counties, Kent, and into central southern England, we'll see temperatures of 28 or 29 to 31 Celsius. So a hot day on Tuesday for these areas. And into Wednesday, early hours in the morning, lows of 8 to 13. But look at the UK, even London gets a tropical nights, it seems, on Tuesday into Wednesday. So, getting really quite warm, finally. Here is the NAO index observed from forecasters. So we're currently seeing a very positive NAO, and that should mean that the Azores High should be more dominant than usual. Currently, on Friday, it's not, but by Sunday it will be, and that will be the case till till month's end. Now, early August shows the NAO going more neutral, and that would indicate that the lows towards like Iceland start to deepen more and push southwards, and that is currently the theme. So, looking at the latest GFS midnight run, so we see a showery day today with westerly winds. Same for tomorrow. That little trough there could bring some more general rain early in the morning. But by Sunday again, up comes that ridge. It heads towards the UK and like the Low Countries. But it's close enough to influence us. So Sunday should be a nice day with spells of hazy sunshine and a warm day as well. Highs in the lower 20s. Into Monday and Tuesday, again, that ridge is there or thereabouts. It's not the strongest ridge, but it is a ridge, and it's a warm ridge as well. So Monday could bring in a area of light rain into the west on these westerly winds, but the south and east should stay dry. Also the Midlands too, but with quite a lot of clouds. Into Tuesday sees just, I think that ridge is getting a bit stronger on Tuesday. And Wednesday, though, sees a thundery low forming towards France and the UK. So Wednesday could be a bit of a showery day, but it's still warm. And Thursday onwards goes westerly, deepening low to our northwest, and in comes the rain and the cooler winds as well. But that's quite autumnal, really, by August 4th. And beyond that, we just stay cool and actually going very cool with the low towards the Northern Sea, and down come those northerly winds for a time. But towards the very end of the GFS midnight run in ridges, these all high again, but that again is not a strong ridge, and by Sunday August 11th, we're back into westerly winds. So let's look at the GFS 6Z run that is coming out now. It's already out fully, thank God. I think I was just in time for that. So here is what's happening. So it's showery up until Sunday, when again up comes that Azores High Ridge. So Sunday's a nice day, that's guaranteed. On Monday, for the northwest especially, going a bit more settled, thanks to a little area of low pressure towards Iceland that will have a trailing system down there. And also cloudy in all areas as well, but it's still quite warm in the Midlands, south and east. Tuesday, again, is a nicer day with the ridge more strongly focused over us. But Wednesday, we see a thundery, showery trough in this region here from Ireland, the UK, down into Europe. So let's look at the upper temperatures with this. So again, there's a lot of warm air involved in that. So possibly thundery, look at the precipitation. And that does show on Wednesday, possibly storms breaking out in parts of Midlands, east and northeast. Same for the UK, a lot of storms in the west there. So Wednesday is one to watch for possibly thunderstorms, but not all charts are showing this low at the minute, that trough really. It depends on where this trough forms. That will depend on whether Wednesday is just a dry and warm day or a warm and humid day with possible storms breaking out. So going to Thursday, August 1st, once again, like the midnight run and going westerly, properly settled there. Autumnal then, by August 5th, Jesus Christ, deep low. Plenty of rain and showers of that. And it doesn't, okay, well by August 8th we're getting a bit warmer, but not any more settles. And beyond that, we just keep it unsettled. Oh God. Anyway, here is the ECM. The ECM is going like this. So once again, it's showery up until Sunday, when again up comes that ridge, giving us quite a nice day on Sunday. Now Monday is a bit cloudier with a few patches of rain in the northwest. Tuesday is back to sunshine though. Now Wednesday, let's see what happens with this. Wednesday, I think on this run is going to be a dry day because the low is smaller and more focused towards like the UK and France and Low Countries. And we're basically under a ridge still, so a few showers maybe, but generally Wednesday is a warm and dry day again. Now Thursday, it starts off warm and dry, but by the evening in comes westerly winds and rain, and end of the week into the weekend. Now the ECM has that area of low a lot further north than the GFS, so it'll be cloudier and more damp, yes, but warm, and but by August 5th, we're properly into westerly winds then. So here's the GEM. GEM, again, is showery up until Sunday. Once again, up comes that ridge. Sunday's a nice day. On Monday, all areas are cloudier. I think that the GEM might have that low, that ridge just a bit weaker than normal, and that lower bit for the south. So possibly that rain, if anything, could be a bit more widespread on GEM, if anything. Tuesday's back to the summer stuff, and then I say summer stuff because it's a lot better than what we've had so far this year. And into Wednesday, I think is warm and dry, but could be a few showers breaking up by evening as pressure is lowering. And into Thursday and Friday, oh god, we're thoroughly unsettled here into the weekend. That next Saturday, August 3rd, autumnal, active cold front coming through there. And beyond that, it just stays unsettled, although pretty warm for the UK, but not for Ireland. Anyway, so here is the... Oh, by the way, it's because I'm going to the UK on this date, and I'm going for 2 weeks, so yeah. So here is the UK Met Office run. UK Met Office, I'm going there. Not to the Met Office, I'm just saying UK. Okay, so here we go. Okay, Sunday, July 28th is a day of summer. I think that's the first proper day of summer this year. I think a few days back in June were nice as well, though. Into July 29th, income, yeah, it's just a cloudier day, but a warm day too. Next Tuesday's fine, next Wednesday's fine. Next Thursday for a while is fine, it's quite nice. But by the evening and into next Friday, that low is deepening and westerly winds. Here is the icon. Once again, it builds up that high through the weekends, and it stays around through into next Wednesday. As you know, day-to-day details will be very variable, depending on how the ridges, how that little cold front is, how the troughs are, where they form. But in general, warmer and drier. That's all you need to know. And here's the arpege. Once again, showery today, showery tomorrow. Sunday is a nice day. Sunday is day of warm, dry weather with hazy sunshine. Monday is a cloudy day in all areas with the risk of patchy light rain in Connacht and Ulster. And Tuesday is a dry day with spells of sunshine. And Wednesday could be another dry day with sunny spells and warm temperatures, but there's also a risk of showers and storms breaking out. Details to be pinned on that. And currently, it looks like next Thursday onwards, going westerly. So yeah, that is a summary of, I think that hopefully, now all you need to know is figure out how Wednesday will evolve and how Thursday, if anything, will evolve. And I'm pretty sure that Friday is definitely going to be a westerly day. So that's the mystery, I think, coming to a close, thank God, after all that deciphering. And it's actually coming to a close in favour of us as well, which is quite rare. And here is the, just to show you the diagrams again with the ensembles. Okay, so again, upper temperature and the precip. These are the GFS ensemble members. So there are 30 different runs of the GFS. Each run is different. There's different starting points. So once again, down here is the precip, and any of the spikes is a run that's showing rainfall. Okay, so between July 28th and August 1st, there's barely any spikes. So it shows you that would be a dry spell opening up there, and in early August, oh god, what did I just do? Into early August, we do see things coming back in rainfall. Maybe a bit of a drying trend towards the very end of the graph, but that's uncertain. Also, the upper temperatures going above average through again same period. So definite warm and dry spell. And still have pressure. Well, 28th to like peaking around 28th of July. Slowly dropping away, but we'll only really feel the effects by about the turn of the month. Yeah, so we've got something in the bag. We've got something finally in the bag, and it's just like actually generally low pressure now through early August, so that's not good. Everyone, thanks for watching as usual. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and the news I brought you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.